It's just funny. They're so loose. It's because of my sketchy 180s. What? How are we gonna do what? We're just gonna go in? Bring them in. If they say anything, they'll be like, we ain't getting our bikes stolen tonight. Like, they're not gonna cause a problem.
Your bike is more than you're gonna make tonight.
It's like, I swear my bike will be well behaved, okay? Like, it's not gonna cause a scene.
Yeah, I am gonna say that. That's perfect. I promise it's not gonna make a scene.
Watch it be locked. I think this one's locked now, actually. And I guarantee they won't take us in the drive-thru.
Why does life have to suck?
And then they're gonna be like, since you're not in a motor vehicle, you can't come through the drive-thru.
I'm gonna go up to the speaker and be like, brum, brum, brum.
Just be like, since you guys are locked tonight, can we just order through here? I think they can. We're not even gonna be heavy enough to set off the sensor.
What do you want?
I don't know. We'll see if they'll take our order first before we get our hopes up.
Probably we're in the car. Hello?
They have a camera too. Just say it.
I didn't know they did.
It's right there.
Where?
Right on the corner of the building.
Hello?
I don't think we're heavy enough to set off the sensor. The sensor's inside here.
Is it?
Yeah.
Like a sensor?
That's why that's part.
Oh, is there why there's a square there?
Yeah.
Let's just go to the window. Oh, I guess we gotta go to this one. That's right. We just want to buy some burgers. That's it. Like,
I still got the GoPro going.
just get right parallel like a vehicle.
Yeah, we gotta be a vehicle. I wish the GoPro would turn.
Alright, well, I'm just kind of. What about a motorbike though?
I've gone through that on my bike before, my CBR, you know? It's all good if you're on a motorbike, but I've never done it on a pedal
But
bike.
how does it take the weight?
400 pounds.
I guess. So
Plus my fat ass, so it's probably like 600 pounds.
I just like food.
Just knock on the window like, what's good? I thought this was my hood.
Well, I don't like want to.
I see a guy over there washing. He's not looking this way. He's just washing.
Fries are done.
Oh, here he comes.
Is he coming actually? Oh, I think he's at the thing.
Just really go. Is he coming over?
Is he? I don't know.
Sweet.
Hey man, will you take our order?
I can, man.
Are you serious?
Because we're not a motor vehicle. Because all the druggies are making the doors be locked.
Come in and order it.
Yeah, if I didn't have this camera watching me, I definitely would, but...
That's so
What's
weird.
the policy on that? Like, why not?
Because we could
My
technically get
manager
hurt
said I
right
can get a
here.
$5,000 fine. if I-
Jesus.
Really?
Yeah.
Is there-
It's just because it's not safe, right? Like, you think motorized vehicle versus a bike.
Yeah.
Something
Yeah.
happens.
Oh, for sure. Oh, no, definitely.
It's just so
Yeah.
weird. You can go through on a motorbike. Let's put motors on.
Because, yeah,
That's
if there's
really
a motor on it, yeah, I can
That's
definitely
so
say.
weird.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
What time do you guys close then?
We close at midnight and open up at 5.
Oh, okay.
Got a couple hours to kill.
Would you let us come in and take an order and they can lock the door after?
I don't know.
We're not crazies or anything, we just want food back. We just want a couple burgers.
What were you guys looking for?
Just some junior chickens.
Just 2 junior chickens?
Yeah, what do you want?
And-
Doubles or something?
You
What do
have
got
cash?
around?
Yeah, we got cash, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Even one of us.
Yeah. Yeah, even just one of us watch the bikes or good. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, if you want to just wait at this door right there.
Cool, thanks man.
You're the real OG. Alright, I'll watch the bikes, man.
Dude, that's dope. No, he's like, if you just want to wait at the door. What are we gonna get? She's just gonna give us some burgers and we're gonna dole out some cash.
Yes.
Video this shit.
It is
This
going.
is like side deal burgers. Dude.
I think he's gonna come let just you in though.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah.
Well, you better go in there.
Yeah, why don't you just want to come in?
Alright. Sure.
Oh, thanks,
You're
man.
gonna leave your bike.
Yeah, just leave the bike inside
Dude, I'm
the.
gonna raise a hassle. Thanks, man. God, what do you want? Just McDonald's?
Yeah, we'll get 2 junior chickens and 2 McDoubles. So then a McDouble and a junior chicken each, or what?
What?
What's
oh,
up?
Yeah,
Two and
just
two?
junior chickens and then just a Coke, and that's good.
Yeah, 2 Cokes, yeah.
2 large Cokes?
Yeah.
Thanks, man. We appreciate it.
Yeah, alright. 11.10.
If there wasn't people causing so much drama, the doors would be open.
How's your guys' night going?
Oh,
Bad.
pretty
How about
good.
yours? How's the skeleton shift?
What's that?
How's the skeleton shift?
Yeah, it's okay. It's been slow, so
Yeah, well, of course.
catch up on something. Usually it's just small. Usually people just come
Oh, yeah.
every 5 minutes. So.
Yeah, I guess Friday
Yeah,
will
okay.
definitely be pretty busy.
Yeah. Usually it's Saturday night's the busy one. Friday's kind of hit or miss.
Yeah.
That's so chill though.
Actually, not bad.
I think I'm gonna rock the Fruitopia. Getting some juice. Dude, we're ballers. We're especially corporate. We're corporate, right? You just gotta be chill, nice human beings, man, and you can get what you want in life. Yeah. I didn't think we were getting in.
I didn't think so. I thought we were.
I thought we were going somewhere else. I think it's so weird though that they can't take you because you're not a motorized vehicle though. It's like, but like if the policy is to lock the doors now, like.
But I mean, I'd see that, like, because if there was a vehicle in the drive-thru.
Perfect. Thanks, buddy.
Man. Take care.
Yeah.
Mom.
Have a good one.
Take care.
I'll go up first and hold the door.
I feel like I should leave the doob in there. Hey,
What?
I should leave the doob in there.
Nah.
Why not? It'd be like a real nice, like.
Are you drink this?
Do you
Oh,
want
yeah.
the doob?
I forgot my drink. I'm so dumb.
Hey,
That?
do you want a doob?
Oh, I'm okay, man.
Mission accomplished.
Decent.
I like how he just like looked around too. What do you guys want?
Yeah, you got cash.
Yeah, you got cash.
You got cash. You totally recorded that.
Yeah, I did. I got the whole thing, man. It's still recording. Talking the McDonald's drive-thru guy into letting us in.